One of the major cities in Sri Lanka is Kurunegala. It is the capital of northwestern province and falls in the Kurunegala district. From the end of 13th century to the beginning of 14th century, Kurunegala was considered as the royal ancient capital of Sri Lanka for around 50 years. Kurunegala got its name from the giant rock which is elephant-shaped that is located in the place.
A sustainable holiday home set in Kurunegala, Leo Breeze Apartments features a garden. For added privacy, the accommodation features a private entrance. The spacious holiday home has 3 bedrooms, air-conditioned, 2 bathrooms, bed linen, towels, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, free Wi-Fi, a dining area, a fully equipped modern kitchen, and a terrace with mountain and lake views. The property has an outdoor dining area and rooftop for leisure gathering. Kandy Royal Botanic Gardens is 40 kilometers from the holiday home, while Kandy City Centre Shopping Mall is 40 kilometers from the property. The nearest airport is Katugastota Polgolla Reservoir Seaplane Base Airport, 38 kilometers from Leo Breeze Apartments. Property is 2 kilometers away from Kurunegala Highway entrance and Pizza Hut, Food City and all facilities available within 3 kilometers. Leo Breeze Apartments has been welcoming Booking.com guests since the 16th of April 2023.